Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Myra from Wellness and Cupping Clinic. Today we are going to discuss about anxiety, stress and fears. We need to understand what is anxiety, what is stress. Stress is basically you are emotionally upset, you're emotionally tensed, and everyone has a different personality, how they are reacting to the stress. One is reacting in a very good way, he's coping up with that stress, but some people are very weak and they're sensitive, they are not coping up good with their stress. So don't think that stress is very bad. It's basically this stress and anxiety is a protective mechanism, that it is signaling our body to prepare yourself for the bad times and just prepare yourself for your goals, for your accomplishment. So it's not that bad. So how you're going to cope up with this stress and what are the symptoms we will discuss today. So what are the symptoms of the stress? Symptoms of stress is like you are having headache, you are having palpitations, increased heart rate, increased pulse and agitation, and your behavior is it's deteriorating, and these all are the leg cramps, neck pain, heaviness in the chest and heavy shoulders. These all are the symptoms of stress. So you need to take stress. You don't need to have so much stress that your body functions are affected. So in stress, your testosterone, your estrogen levels are low, your progesterone levels are low, you are having increased levels of cortisol, that is stress hormone. And in stress, you are agitated, your sympathetic nervous system, that is you're going to have your increased catecholamines, that is epinephrine and norepinephrine is increased, and your parasympathetic nervous system, that is a system in our body for rest and digest. It is, it's not working properly, but sympathetic is nervous system is just ruling our body. That is why we are having anxiety, agitation, palpitations, headache. So in those patients, we sometimes advise beta blockers as well. Okay, let's come to our topic, that is stress. So how we are going to, these are the symptoms and how we are going to react, and what are the treatment for these stress related symptoms. So first is, you cannot harm yourself unless you allow it. So it's very important that we are responsible for our thoughts, our behavior. We ourselves are responsible. We are just blaming other people for their that he or she has done this. So that is why because of that person I'm bad. So this is not the reason. If someone is reacting in an adverse manner, how you are reacting, how you are penetrating all that behavior, that is important. So how you react positively. So you are responsible for your thoughts and action. So mind it, have positive thoughts so that your actions will be positive. So one thing is that always remain positive, consistent, that you're not going to behave negatively to that person. And number two, power of intention is very important. Power of intentions mean that have a good intention for any task you want to do. For example, if you're cooking food for your family, always have a positive intention that I'm going to cook a very good, healthy, nutritious diet for my family. For example, if you are having a good intention for your medicine, that you have the intention that inshallah, if you are going to take this medicine, it will heal you. It will heal you. The power of intention is very important. Always have a good intention. For example, if the patient of cancer is going to receive chemotherapy, he has a positive intention that inshallah he will be healed from that chemotherapy. He will heal. So power of intention on each and every task, that is important. So this is very important thing. And always third one, set your goals for you, what you want to be, what you want from your life, what personality you want yourself to reflect, what career you want to choose, what financial status you want in your life, what kind of people you want in your life. So focus on those goals and work hard for those goals, what you want to do in your life. That is very important. Discipline your life and discipline your day for your daily task, and you'll feel very good. Your serotonin levels, your dopamine levels, and your endorphins will increase if you set up your goals and you achieve those goals. And deep breathing exercises, I again repeat, they are very important. For example, if you're having the anxiety and you're having the panic attack, deep breathing exercises, inhale 1 2 3 and exhale, relax. This will relax your mind completely. This will going to shift your sympathetic nervous system to the parasympathetic nervous system, that is rest and digest. So because the patient of this anxiety and stress, they are having increased heart rate, so heart rate and all the sympathetic nervous activity, that will going to reduce. So it's very important, deep breathing exercises and meditation, that is very important. And I want you to learn this mnemonic: time, Time. T for thankfulness. Focus your blessings, what you have. Just imagine, if you don't have your eyes, how you're going to see the world. If you don't have your ears working properly, how you going to listen? So focus on your blessing. Be thankful for what you have. Don't blame for the blessings you don't have. Always focus on your blessing and be thankful to your creator. This is very important. T for thankfulness. I for inspiration. So you should sit and have some dialogues with the good personalities, some inspirational personalities. This will evolve your thoughts, evolve your behaviors towards life. Believe me, this happens. And M for meditation. Meditate deeply and focus on the positivity and focus on something good, focus on your blessings and forgive people. This is very important. And E for exercise. Exercise is such an important thing that you should exercise daily. Or if you're not doing exercise, even you can do while sitting, just have stretching, just move your head, move your neck, move your legs. And you can also have a walk. Morning walk is excellent. It's good for your oxygen at that time. Is the plants are giving us oxygen, so it's very good. Morning walk is excellent for the health. So it's try to remember time. T for, you can tell me, thankfulness. I for inspirational. M for meditation and E for exercises. Exercise, any exercise. Okay, so focus on that time. Always set your goals and always have some family time, good quality time with your spouse and with your kids. This will always elevate your mood. It will release endorphins and you will feel good inside yourself. So these things are very important, and again repeat: discipline yourself, discipline your thoughts, and always life is full of ups and downs. Ups and downs. Sometimes you're healthy, sometimes you're unhealthy, sometimes you are emotionally good, emotionally fit, but sometimes you're emotionally drained. Sometimes you're having a good grade, but sometimes you're failing. So how you are reacting to those stress related environment stress, how you're reacting to stress, that is important. So focus good, imagine good, and take good action. Set your goals, meditate, and relax your mind and body by doing some positive task. And this is very important: if you're doing some positivity and you're spreading positivity to the other persons, of course that you are just creating the positive environment. So that is very important. Offer prayer, that is also a time to focus and reflect on your personality. That is very important. And mind it, if you're suffering from any pain, from any anxiety, pain plus reflection, if you're reflecting on it, what you have learned from that pain, it will lead to the progressive life, or you can say the progression. But only pain will lead to the not good, it's not good and healthy for your mind. So always focus and reflect what you have learned today. So this is very important. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, and forgive people and forgive yourself as well. And I want to just say, there's one more maneuver, some exercises that will also relieve your anxiety, and one very important exercise, that is the vagal nerve stimulation. Vagal nerve stimulation is that you are shifting your system, that sympathetic nervous system, to the parasympathetic nervous system. For example, just put your hands on your neck like this and just see on ceiling without moving your head and without moving your neck, like this, for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then first you are focusing on the right side, and now you're focusing on the left side without moving your head and without moving your, this will cause some strain in your eyes, but relax your mind and then relax completely. So this is a vagal nerve stimulation maneuver. If you feel okay with it, go ahead, and if you don't feel okay with the vagal nerve stimulation, just skip it. Focus on the other things, that focus on your blessings, be thankful, be with some inspirational personalities, and imagine good, meditate, deep breathing exercises, and relax your mind and set your goals and be positive. These all things are very important, and this will evolve your personality completely. And if you have a positive aura and positive personality, people want to sit with you, want to talk to you, take some decisions, take some if they want you to suggest them something. So it's very important, eat healthy, good exercise, meditation, and good interpersonal relationship, and smile and compliment people also for their good deeds. Take care. Hope all these tasks will help you out. Allah Hafiz.